Hi guys, it's Jamila here from Slapp. Today I'm going to be doing a video on the brand new Nars Laguna Bronzing collection. If you haven't subscribed already guys, please subscribe. We'd love to have you in the Slapp family. And without further ado guys, here is the video. The brand new Nars Afterglow Lip Balm in the bronze one in Laguna, and I've also got my hands on the Laguna bronzing powder in the shade Laguna 07. I don't think this is new in the US, but it is new in the UK. I got sent it by Nars PR, so thank you very much Nars. This has just launched at Cult Beauty in the UK, so if you do want to get your hands on it, that's where you can find it. The original Laguna bronzer is 02, but there is also an 01 and a 00, so there's 00, 01, 02, 03, 04, 5, 6, 7 and 8. I got 7. I felt like 8 would be fine on me, but it's quite a rich deep bronze, and I've already got deep bronzers like that, like the Dior. I've also got lots of deep creamy bronzers as well, so I feel like I can always create a deep enough look if that's something I'm going for. Number 7 looked like a good rosy bronze for me, and something that I hoped would flatten my skin tone, so I went for that. Number 6 looked like it definitely would work on my skin tone, but it would be a very subtle bronze, and I think I've already got enough subtle bronzers. I've got the Patrick Tar, Victoria Beckham has a duo, one of them's fairly subtle, one of them's not, so I've probably got enough of those. And number 7 just seemed like a perfect shade for me. It looks a bit rosy, which I do like in my bronzers, like the Mocha Mami from Fenty Beauty, which is an OG and really kind of started off this inclusive broader spectrum of bronzers. So well done Rihanna, thank you very much. It says best in bronze, bring on the bronze with the iconic bronzing powder formula in 9 talc-free shades. Silky pigments instantly deliver long-lasting warmth with all-day comfort. Finely milled powders seamlessly build and blend to create a lit from within glow, while translucent microspheres smooth skin texture for a perfected complexion for all skin tones. This is £33 and $40 US. Not bad at all for a bronzer, not bad at all for a NARS product. I also picked up the Afterglow Lip Balm, which is £26 and $28 US. It's 3 grams. So they say sheer bronze with gold shimmer. Indulge lips in inviting shine with tinted Afterglow Lip Balm, a hydrating complex for smooth, supple comfort, and a blend of antioxidants to help protect lips. Swipe on a hint of tint, saturate with a surge of hydration. You can also tap it to the high points of the cheek with fingertips for a natural looking shimmer-free highlight. I'm just going to show you the packaging, show you some swatches, then I'm going to get into a demo. So guys, those are the swatches on. The Laguna Bronzer is actually a really nice shade, and I didn't really remember until I swatched it and saw it that I did actually get a bronzer from Nars very close to this in the Duo, which was one of my favorite things of last summer. Nars were just killing it for me last summer. They created so many great products that I absolutely loved, and that was one of them, so I was really happy to see that this was very similar. It is ever so slightly richer, which is good because otherwise I have two of the same thing, but this actually is a little bit richer, which is nice because that was quite a subtle, warming, really warming bronze though, and really flattering for my skin tone, but this is a little bit richer, so I'm happy about that. I'm happy that there is a point of difference between them. It's not very far away from the richest shade in the Victoria Beckham Duo in number 5. It's much richer than the Toasted, but they are of like a similar undertone. The packaging is really nice. It's got that really nice soft feel to it, that really like ergonomic feel. It's nice and thick, it's nice and square. Their compacts used to be a bit more rounded. This is a lot more blocky, which I think is quite nice. It feels a bit more modern. I like the black with the gold as well on the logo at the front. It just looks really cool and summery and warm, and I also really like the gold rim on the inside of the compact as well. So it looks really nice. I'm really happy with the shade. I'm really happy with the look of it. The whole package is fantastic, but with Nars I wouldn't really expect anything else. They always do a very good job. The lip balm is actually also really nice. The packaging is really cool. It's all gold, it's very metallic, it's very mirrored, it's really nice and funky and bronze and summery, and just makes you think of holiday and heat waves instantly. Even though it does have a gold shimmer, it is very subtle, but it does give a really nice look of wet hydration, so I'm excited to try it all. I'm going to start with the bronzer in 07. It looks really nice, really warming. The pickup on that is incredible. On this side I have a little bit of cream bronzer. I have the Charlotte Tilbury in tan, number 3 tan cream bronzer, and a little bit of the Pat McGrath blush. On this side I have a completely bare cheek, just so we can see it on top of what I would normally do, and then on top of nothing, just on its own. That is really nice. It's instantly warming. It's got enough red that it kind of looks like a blush as well, but it does actually sculpt my face as well. Compared to a bare cheek, it just looks so much different, and I haven't put a lot on at all. I'm going to pop some on this side. So instantly impactful. It really just warms up the skin, really gives it a hit of colour, as well as giving it some bronze. It's bronzing, but it's also rosifying as well. It gives me a nice little blush, orange blush effect. I'm going to put some on my bridge of my nose. So next up is the lip balm in Laguna, the Afterglow Lip Balm. As you guys may have seen from my shorts, I did recently go and swatch a couple of the Afterglow lipsticks that were in Sephora in Washington, in DC, and I really like those. I wish I'd got them at the time. They have just arrived in the UK, but I felt like I didn't really need to do a full review because I have swatched them in store. But if you would like to see a review of those, let me know in the comments down below. In the meantime, this is the Laguna Afterglow Lip Balm. Definitely does make a difference. It gives my lips some dimension as well. You can see the shimmer, but in a very subtle way. It does feel a lot sheerer than I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be a bit more gold and glittery, but it definitely does give some like real depth to my lips and some shape as well, so I'm enjoying it. So that is it on its own. With the top lip, it does look more gold, but it does feel very Studio 54. It feels very 70s, very Diana Ross, very Renaissance. So I'm enjoying that about it. I'm going to take it off and try it on with a lip liner just to see how it looks with a lip liner. That's with lip liner on, quite a lot of lip liner, but it has given my whole face a whole different vibe, which I'm enjoying. Suddenly feels very power dressing. So I'm going to pop on the lip balm. When I first tried this on with nothing underneath, I felt like it looked really beachy and really fresh and very like Ibiza. So I'm going to take this off. I'm going to put it back on with nothing underneath. That just goes more with the spirit of this Laguna collection and this kind of bronzy, beachy, summery vibe. It just feels very silky on, very hydrating. It is quite pricey for a lip balm, but I've definitely bought more expensive lip balms in my time. I don't know if you remember, but I did the Tom Ford lip balm, which I think was about £44. This is, what, 23? So in comparison to that, it's practically a bargain. I really like the packaging of this. It does give me the same vibes as that did. That gave me a completely different finish in terms of the lips. It gave me a plummy, natural look, but this gives me a more goldy, bronzy look. But the packaging of both are both very, very nice, very luxurious, very good quality, and definitely giving summer. So I'm really impressed with this. I like this bronzer. It looks good. As I really like this bronzer, I thought I would try it a little bit on my lid. So here we go. I really like it as an eyeshadow, actually. It looks really nice. So guys, that is it. That is my finished look. That is a brand new Nars Laguna Bronzing collection. I really like the lip balm. I think it's very bronzy. It's very summer. It's giving me summer vibes. It really gives me like vacation holiday vibes, so I'm really enjoying that. I really like the bronzer as well. It's just very flattering for my skin tone, really, really warming. If you like that kind of bronzer, then this could be for you. I definitely feel like 8 is going to be a lot richer, also a bit more neutral as well. So if you are looking for something a bit more cool in undertone, then that will be a good one to try. But I'm really enjoying this. I'm glad I've got both of these. I also like it as an eyeshadow. I think I'm going to be using it as an eyeshadow a lot. So guys, that is it. That is my finished look. I really like these products from Nars for summer. I feel like they're very summery. They're giving me summer vibes, giving me beach holiday vibes, and I'm here for it. It is the middle of a heat wave, the heat wave that doesn't end in London, and I think these are the perfect products for them. I really like this as an eyeshadow. I really like it as a bronzer. I really like the lip balm. Very happy with everything I've got. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, guys. Will you be buying anything? Will you be trying anything? Do you like the look of these? Let me know. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video. If you haven't subscribed already, guys, please subscribe. We'd love to have you in the Slapp family. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.